It's week 3 of planning in the Kristy. Monday Start Kristy. I am still doing the same thing as always. I did not change things up too much this week. I said that I was going to schedule some time in to unplug. I did one day and then that went out the window. So I'm kind of in a rut. I think because it's January, I feel like I want to go room to room and clean out the drawers, purge things that we don't need. I want to clean surfaces. So sitting down to read a book has not been sort of my time, right? So my unplugged time has not been necessarily scheduled, but I haven't had my phone in my hand during those times. So I think that counts, right? I think we can count me going through all my clothes in my closet and trying everything on, editing it, making a donation pile, cleaning everything that I'm keeping, ironing everything that I'm keeping, putting it back is considered unplugged time, or is that just cleaning time? Not sure. Let me know what you think about that. So I did spend a lot of time doing things like that this week, which was great. Oh my goodness, I'm having a total hot flash right now that I had to just get up and turn the fan on. What I wanted to say before I just all of a sudden got so warm, I think because we keep the air conditioning off during the day in the house, I have the door closed because my husband is watching a football game and I'm in here doing my planning. I lost my train of thought. I've lost my train of thought. I think what I was gonna say is that the air gets really still and then I start getting hot. So I just turned the fan on and now I can get back to what I was thinking about. I was gonna say that I think that planning and putting things here is kind of a way that I like to be organized, and it helps me kind of compartmentalize these things. I got into my planner yesterday. Today's a Sunday, and yesterday or was it Friday? I can't remember. I got into the planner and I wanted to write down what I had done the day before, and I was like, I can't remember what I did yesterday. What did I do yesterday? So now I'm so glad I'm actually trying to make an effort to be in here every day because I don't want to forget things. So yes, I did not schedule things in here for unplugged time, but I had unplugged time, is what I want to say. So we're getting into week 3, but we're also going to set up February because I have all my February stickers. I've just ordered my March stickers, and I like to be 3 months in advance, at least the monthly calendar done. I'm not changing up the monthly calendar stickers at this point because I'm in a rut. I like what I like. I'm getting what I'm getting. So I'm going to continue with the Planner Kate for, obviously, because I have them for February, and now I've purchased them for March. The week to weeks, again, I'm going to stick with them because I have them. So it's very similar week to week. I'm not changing that much, but I do like sitting down here weekly and doing the weeks one at a time and not just filling my whole planner for a month at a time or 6 months at a time, something like that. One of the reasons being is I want the flexibility of being able to change it from week to week if I find something I want to do differently. 2, I don't know what stickers I want that far in advance, so I'm not going to just buy to buy. I'm going to wait and see what my options are per month and do that. And is there a third? I don't even know if there's a third. So that's kind of where I am right now. So I'm going to turn this around. I am going to get into planning week 3 and February with you. I do want to quickly jump in and say that I have not been very successful with my small rows. I keep trying to get in here. I've done a bunch of stickies, as you can see right here. I've moved some things over here. I have written some notes in here for different categories like that, but I'm not 100% using it, and it's not coming very easily to me. So this may or may not work for me, and I'm not willing to throw in the towel yet. I do have stickers for February. I did have stickers for March, just for the monthly view, you know, this part right here. I do have them for here. So I could update that and do that as well, but I'm not really using this section yet. I'm not using it. I really am not. So I think it's muscle memory. I think I just have to get in and get used to it and use it, because right now I'm not really using it. So there's that. Just want to make sure you know that, you know, maybe for me, 2 planners is not an option. And before I buy any more stickers for it, you know, because I do have the banner stickers from Laurel Denise, which are so pretty. Oh my goodness. I mean, it's just enough that I have those. I fill this whole thing with them because I think the banner stickers from Laurel Denise are so pretty, which I could show you. They're so pretty. It's just, I love them so much. They look like this, the planner stickers. They're just, the banner stickers, excuse me. They're just so pretty. So many just great patterns. I probably could use these in my Kristy. They're meant for the small rose and I think the small scout, I think. I don't want to get ahead of myself, but I really need to concentrate on using it and figuring out how to use it. So if you have any directions or videos you think I should watch for the small rose, send them my way, because I'd like to use it because I bought it and I've put stickers in it and I have purchased some extras for it, and I'm not finding my way there. So let me know what you think about that. But in the meantime, let's do week 3 and February together and not make this a forever, ever long video. Here is a look back at week 2. The only day I scheduled in some of reading was right here. And as you can see, if you look at this, it's the only time I did read. So I do need to get into maybe scheduling better and figuring out what that unplugged time is. But, you know, here I did a closet purge. I did a tech setup, things like that. I did order my March stickers here. I am walking. I do love the weather up here. I do like the meals down here. I do like having different stickers, these washi tapes and all that. So I'm going to continue with all that. And I just love coming in here every day and doing that. I think that these highlighters are my favorite. I did buy the brighter ones, but they're really, really dark. So I'm still really liking these ones a lot, and I don't necessarily color code too many. I mean, blue is wash hair, you know, I had purple here, but then I had, you know, green there for ironing. So, you know, I just kind of pick whichever color and put it in there, which I do like. And I like the fact that I'm not layering so many stickers in here. So this week I'm gonna not put a sticker here, I may put it there, right? So break things up a little bit. But let's get to doing our week 3, and then we will do February as well. That's a quick look at week 3. I wanted to move these stickers
to a different location because I know I'm gonna build them up along here as I go. So I thought, you know what, I'll just put them in the middle. Maybe I'll move them to the side, change it up. I was gonna do a washi here, but again, I feel like I've done it now for 2 weeks and it's gonna layer in just like I know these will eventually. I didn't do something here and here and here. This time I didn't do my habit tracker. Instead I did a sticker here and a sticker here, just these little ones. I couldn't figure out where to put this, so I put that there. But I'm trying to break it up a little bit, and maybe I'll do my habit tracker here. I didn't do so great on it. Clearly I did okay, but maybe I'll do it here for this week right now. But I did notes over here. I did a little snowflake because this was the snowflake little quote thing here, snowflakes because of the snowflakes in here. So that's kind of a look at what I'm doing for week 3. And I'll plug in, obviously, these days later. I did do the weather like that. So let's do February. For February, I got these stickers from Planner Kate. I love them. I love the pink and the green and the little plants. So these are going to be really fun. So let's start started. I did get the sampler because I do like the weekend. I love the kind of fun, different stickers in here. And then I got this one as well because I like this long thing. Hello, February. So I got these. So let's put these down for February. I hope I got everything I wanted. Oh, I also got some of the other washies because I like these. And I got the small washies. And I got all these plants because I just thought they were fun. So I don't know why I got more of the clip arts, but I thought they would be really, really fun. So let's get started and put down the big stickers and set up February. I love how this turned out. This is so me. I love that this is kind of like a shelf with the plants all sitting on the shelf. These Hello February, Hello Monthly stickers is one of the reasons why I love Planner Kate. And then these highlighting the holidays. So cute. And then the crazy plant lady here. And then if we compare that to what I did for January, I didn't do as many stickers in here. I haven't really added a lot of things. Oh, I forgot to do the garbage. I could do that. So that's something I can add. Again, we have garbage over here. So I need to start using this calendar overview more, but just seeing it like this makes me so happy month to month. And I can't wait to add March as well, so I can start adding things in here and actually using this more consistently. So that's a look at week 3 and February. I definitely am going to try to shake up the placement of my stickers so that I don't get too thick in certain sections. It's inevitable that this right here is going to get just thicker because I like these.
So this will definitely be 3 months worth of these. So I don't know if I need to change that up for April, because I've already purchased, obviously we have January in here, I've got February, and I've just ordered March. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I need to think about that, if it's gonna bother me or not bother me at all. And then I did not do the washi here, but I just did the pen and then moved these little bottom stickers around a little bit. But still loving the layout and how it's working for me. I haven't changed too much month to month, or week to week, I should say. I do need to add in my habit tracker, which I'll do, which you'll see next week when I do a look back. I'll do that now. I'm just gonna add in some appointments and things like that. I just don't want this video to get just too long, because I know that I start thinking about things when I'm laying down my stickers, and then I start like, ooh, should I move this here, do this there, and all that things. But I'm getting faster at it, and I'm getting more comfortable with being a little looser and not so strict with placement and things like that. So let me know if you have any thoughts for the small rows. I think I'm gonna go ahead and add my stickers here. I should film that so you can see what I'm gonna do for February. So maybe I'll just do a quick video for that alone and post that separately, so this doesn't get, like I said, crazy. I do need to look at some videos on how to use this again, because I'm feeling a little bit not sure. I kind of liked the doing done. I liked that idea, but then I don't know if these little itty bitty stickers are too small for me, and if it's doubling up work in one planner and then in the other. So I'm struggling a little bit with what to do in here. I'm sure it'll fall into place eventually, but it hasn't yet. So any help you can give me on that would be awesome. And what stickers are you using for your weeks in your Kristy? Because I do think it would be fun to shake it up for the weeks, like I said, because these are all gonna be the same. I don't necessarily have to do stickers up here. I could do something totally different. I could just leave it blank and highlight or write, or I don't know what I could do. So let me know what you're thinking about that. I do like having the structure of the stickers to just sort of set it up, so I'm not looking at a blank page, because I'm not good with blank pages. It turns out I like stickers. So there's that. So thank you so much for being with me today. Love doing this every week. It's really fun. I look forward to setting up my planner, videotaping it. I know it's a lot of the same, so I totally understand if that's like boring, but I think the repetitive nature of it is really good for me. It's helping me stay consistent and continue to be in here and doing it. And it's also like a creative outlet for me. I really love it. Oh my goodness, I've gone down a total rabbit hole of like calligraphy and letter writing and things like that. So that's something I'm really interested in doing as well. Just maybe use that as free time or unplugged time, is like try my hand at that. I'm loving just the creativeness of getting in my planner. It's like scratching that itch for me. So let me know what kind of things you do like that for yourself. I would love to know. If you're new here, I have a series from 2025. This is the 2026 series. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. You'll get notified when new videos go up. I will, I think, be filming setting up February in my small rows, even though I haven't really figured out how to use it. So that's probably another video that'll be coming very soon. And I think that's it for today. So thank you so much for being with me today. I will see you next week for week 4.